The future of kitchen design is here. Eco Looks Kitchen Design 2025 is redefining modern luxury by blending sustainable materials, bold color trends, and energy-efficient lighting solutions. Whether you're designing a new luxury cooking space or revamping your existing one, this guide reveals the latest kitchen color trends, smart lighting solutions, and sustainable materials that will elevate your home with eco-friendly sophistication. Sustainable elegance is no longer a trend, it's a lifestyle. From recycled glass countertops to low-voc paints, bamboo cabinetry, and intelligent LED lighting, every element contributes to a healthier, more energy-efficient home. Discover how green hues, warm brass accents, and smart lighting controls create the perfect balance between aesthetics and environmental responsibility. The lighting revolution in 2025. Kitchens is all about functionality, style, and energy efficiency. Learn how solar-powered fixtures, motion sensor lighting, and pendant lights made from recycled materials can enhance your space while minimizing your carbon footprint. With a seamless blend of biophilic design, indoor-outdoor transitions, and smart home technology, these innovations turn kitchens into holistic living environments. Ready to transform your space? Get inspired by Eco Looks kitchen ideas that prioritize natural materials, lush greenery, and ergonomic layouts. Whether it's a modern island kitchen or a cozy, earth-toned retreat, this guide will help you create a conscious, elegant, and highly functional kitchen for 2025. Discover the perfect blend of modern concrete house design with lush indoor courtyards and inviting backyard spaces. Whether you're looking to create a serene indoor garden or a cozy outdoor retreat, we've got the inspiration and practical tips you need to elevate your home's aesthetic and functionality. Seamless integration of concrete and greenery. In this video, we dive into how modern concrete elements can seamlessly integrate with vibrant greenery and stylish decor to craft a sophisticated and tranquil urban retreat. Explore how to use concrete for both structural and decorative purposes, enhancing your home with a minimalist look that perfectly complements chic outdoor furnishings and lush plant life. Whether you're enhancing your patio, sunroom, or entryway, this guide offers ideas to make your living spaces more stylish and comfortable. Transforming indoor and outdoor space. Join us as we explore how these design elements can transform both indoor and outdoor spaces into harmonious environments that reflect modern aesthetics and natural beauty. Learn how to incorporate these trends into your home, ensuring every area feels both inviting and functional. Creating your dream urban oasis. Transform your home into a sanctuary that embodies the best of modern design and natural serenity. From chic sunrooms to elegant bathrooms, we cover all the bases, providing inspiration to revamp your spaces with modern concrete and greenery. Get ready to embrace a lifestyle that combines the sleek lines of modern architecture with the calming influence of nature, perfect for creating your dream urban oasis. Escape to paradise without leaving your home. In 2025, backyard transformations are all about creating a luxurious tropical retreat with lush courtyards, modern patios, and resort-style landscaping that blends nature, comfort, and technology. Trends in tropical outdoor living, sustainable luxury landscaping, and exotic patio decor to help you craft your dream oasis. Discover how to integrate exotic plants, water features, and natural materials to bring Bali, Thailand, or the Caribbean right into your backyard. We'll explore outdoor kitchens, covered patios, meditation pavilions, and entertainment zones, plus expert tips on weather-adaptive design, smart outdoor lighting, and wellness-oriented spaces for a perfect tropical getaway at home. Whether you're planning a private courtyard for relaxation or a resort-style space for social gatherings, these luxury backyard ideas will inspire you to create a breath. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home design and outdoor living inspiration.